The tiny Venue is Hyundai's newest SUV. Even though it's an entry-level model, it still comes with the advanced safety features and latest technology that are usually found on more expensive vehicles. At just under 159 inches long, the Venue is one of the shortest cars on the market, but it still stands out in a crowd thanks to its boxy shape, its bold grille, and its unique exterior details. Available two-tone paint and optional 17-inch wheels give it even more flash. The controls are simple. They feature buttons and knobs, and there's a traditional gear selector between the front seats. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, as does an 8-inch touchscreen. Navigation, heated front seats, and remote start with Amazon Alexa and Google Voice compatibility are also available. Despite its diminutive exterior, Hyundai says that the Venue has almost as much room for passengers as the larger Kona SUV. I'm 5'10", and I have plenty of room in the back seat. Still, it has nearly 14 cubic feet less cargo space than the Kona, with the seats folded down. The Venue is powered by an updated version of the 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine used in many current Hyundai models. All-wheel drive is not available, but a 6-speed manual transmission is, and the ability for drivers to choose their own gears might give the Venue a sportier feel. Hyundai says the Venue is aimed at younger drivers who might not have as much experience on the road, which is why we're impressed by its long list of standard advanced safety features. No matter how old you are, if you need to park in small spaces and want hatchback-like versatility, you might be interested in the Venue. We're planning to buy and test one to figure out how it drives and just how versatile it is. To learn more about subcompact SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.
Thank you.